The VA Future Value Model is a prototype developed with the purpose to provide a common understanding of VA programs and initiatives. We developed this model with these goals in mind. 1. Baseline progress and future contribution towards achieving strategic outcomes. 2. Improved leadership decision-making due to better understanding of what is high and low value to VA. 3. Alignment on the most important objectives VA must achieve to adapt capabilities with changing veteran needs. 4. Credible, defensible, traceable, and sustainable methodology for prioritizing strategic and mission requirements. This animated video will introduce you to the models and its main features. To begin, what is a value model? A value model uses objectives and quantifiable measures that represent the values of preference of key stakeholders and decision makers. Initiatives, programs, and projects are scored against the measures and the score rolled up into an overall value score. The model tells us how each project is performing, and when combined with cost information, decision makers know from a cost-benefit perspective the best projects in the VA and the projects that are not a good value. Finally, the model tells decision makers where there are gaps in project performance and can help decision makers know where to make further investments, change a project's direction, or in some cases to terminate the project so that scarce resources may be spent on better things. We built the prototype in Excel to facilitate ease of use. When you open the file, you see the opening screen shown below. The opening screen is the main landing worksheet in the model. From here you can navigate to all parts of the model. The instructions are on this page. One, use hyperlinks to navigate the model. 2. On each worksheet in this workbook is a hyperlink in the top left corner that says Return to Overview, landing you on the Overview worksheet. 3. The Value Model Info Capture tab as the location to enter data on each measure for each project being assessed in the VA portfolio. 4. The model is currently set with all weight equal. To change the weights, click the Weights hyperlink on this page. 5. There are a total of 5 dashboards in this model providing visualizations on VA data, evaluation measures, weights, results, and an example of how the VA portfolio may be viewed from a benefit-cost perspective. 6. Note there are several hidden worksheets in this model used for calculations supporting the dashboards. We developed the prototype guided by a 4-step process. We developed the qualitative value model in Step 1. In Step 2, we turned the qualitative model into a quantitative model by adding scoring measures and providing the coding to do all the calculation. In Step 3, we baselined 336 projects. In Step 4, we conducted a preliminary assessment comparing the baseline to the ideal score to understand each project's value gap. The qualitative part of the model was organized in the following way. At the top of the hierarchy, we organized into mission and mission enablers. On the second tier, we focused on veterans' stage of life, those who are still on active duty, post-military, and the final category, aging and dying. For each stage, we organized our score measures into 4 functions: understand, make aware, engage, and deliver. Because of the challenges in suicide prevention, we evaluated projects for the general population and on the at-risk community, so decision makers could laser focus on the topic. The prototype provides data that maps many aspects of the VA. Leaders can quickly toggle on different groupings of projects using the navigation buttons on the left side of the table. This table maps VA strategy, VA priorities, measures, and many other features. The Value Model Info Capture Worksheet tab is the place where project scores are entered. All the calculations are behind the scenes and displayed on the dashboard tabs.